We'll guide you through how to use WeTransfer to send files. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. WeTransfer is a great way and great service to go and transfer files. So perhaps you're trying to go and email a file or put it in a message in Discord, Messenger, or wherever, and you're running into that you can only go and send files of a certain size. So with WeTransfer, you can go and use that to go and transfer the files. And there are different ways it can be done. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important information from this whole guide. So without any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So what we need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I use Chrome, but you could go and use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, it doesn't matter. And then what we can do is go and head to WeTransfer like so, WeTransfer.com, go and click on it. Now go and wait for this to go and load. And then what you can do is you can go and find the option for I agree over to the left here. And we can actually get started. You can get started without having an account as well, which is really great. You are limited though. So at the top here, you can add files or folders depending upon what you want to add. So I've got a file in this case, so I'll click here and your file explorer opens up. And then what you can do is go and find the video that you want to do this with. And you can select it and go and press open. Then it says it's there and you can add more if you want to as well. So what you can do here is you can go and press email to and you can start typing in emails. So you can go and type in an email. I could do Rob Tucker videos here, for example. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and press the three dots and you can go and create a link instead, which can be much more convenient. And that means you can just go and have the link and send that to people instead of adding in their emails, as there is a limit to 1 of 3 there. So we can go and create a link. You can then go and choose the control. You can go and choose the view options. So in this case, we can go a preview and download. There are different options you could go and choose here if you don't want people to go and be able to download it or not be able to preview it. There are these other options which you need to go and pay to access, set a password and choose if it's recoverable as well. And then at the bottom here, you can go and come back over to the left and you can go and choose the title. You can go and type in a message and you can go and choose how long it's going to be there for. You can see the 3 options are 3 days and 1 day. Of course, you can go and access these by paying though. And then what you can do is go and press get a link, or what you could do is go and press the same button in order to go and email it as well. So I'll go and press that there and you need to go and add in your own email. Let me do that now. Then we can press get a link. And I just need to go and verify it here. You can see here that it's now transferring. Go and wait for it to go and complete, and it's now done. So we went for the link options. We can then press copy link, and we can go and see what that's going to go and look like. I'll go and paste it in. And as you can see, we then get taken to it. So people can go and open a preview or download it. And so what I could then do is go and put that link in an email or a message, and people can go and access it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.